Hey guys, welcome back to PassFab. If you're trying to remove an MMDM profile from your iPhone or iPad, but there's no option to remove it in settings, don't worry, this usually means your device is supervised or locked by an organization. When that happens, the Remove Management button simply won't appear, and you'll be stuck with the Remote Management screen or the MDM restrictions. In this situation, you can try two methods. Method 1. Remove device management via settings. If you have access to the device, you can open the device settings. Then go to the General option. Select VPN and Device Management. Here, you can see the installed MDM configuration profile. Select it to remove profile. You may need to enter the administrator password. If you have the password, you can successfully remove the MDM file. But if you don't have the password, you may need to try using third-party tools to remove MDM. Method 2. Bypass MDM using a professional tool. PassFab iPhone Unlock is a professional tool. With its Bypass MDM feature, you can remove the remote management lock on both iPhone and iPad. Right now, it's also available with a 30% off discount, making it a great time to try it out. Download and open PassFab iPhone Unlock on your computer. Connect your device with a USB cable. Choose Bypass MDM. Click Start and let iPhone Unlock finish the process. Once done, continue setup. The MDM screen will be gone. Important notes: always make sure you have the right to remove MDM from your device. If the device is still linked to an organization, it may re-enroll. The cleanest way is always removal by the admin. So that's how to fix the issue when there's no option to remove the MDM profile on your iPhone or iPad. If you're stuck and need a fast solution, give iPhone Unlock a try. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick iOS fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.